Alright guys, so we just made it back from church, and I'm getting ready to go and eat something and fix my little Brussels sprouts that I told you guys that I wanted to try out. So we're gonna do that together. I just changed clothes, got into something a little bit more comfortable, just this red like gingham baby doll dress, or I don't know what kind of dress you call this, but anyway, you see it, and it has like a little split. I'm trying to see where I got this from. Gosh, I think I got it from Boohoo. I'll put it on the screen where I got it from, but it's old. Just something I lounge around the house. It's Labor Day weekend, so I guess to go with the theme, I guess. And then I just have on these little red slides that I got from Shein several years ago, and they just have like some pearl details. So just a lot of red, which, spoiler alert, I'm going to be doing a styling red video soon, as like a fashion trends video that I'm going to be doing on my channel. So yes, if you want to see that video, that will be the next video that you guys will probably see after this vlog. So alright, so I'm gonna go and fix some food, and yeah, so I will see you guys in a little bit. Alright, so while the Brussels sprouts is cooking, or are cooking, I just want to show you guys what else we have. So we have some roast beef here with some carrots and potatoes. So that is going to be super yummy. And then we have like just some white rice to go underneath it, like the roast will go on top of the rice. And then we have some squash casserole, which I tested this out, and this is so good. This is what my husband cooked. He cooked this last night, and he also cooked the roast as well. So but yeah, this is gonna be so yummy and tasty. And then we just have like some rolls. So yeah, so we're just waiting on the Brussels sprouts to get done, and then we're gonna eat our little Sunday dinner. You ready to eat?
Yes.
I was thinking I should have did the Brussels sprouts last night, because that's literally the only thing we're waiting on is our Brussels sprouts. So, but I'm starving, because usually we eat like right after church, like we'll go out to eat. So now we're having to wait on our food to get ready, so it should hopefully be ready soon. So yeah, so I'll show you guys the finished product of those Brussels sprouts. Hopefully they taste good. I just mixed some balsamic vinegar with some honey, and then just like just used my little seasoning that I had in my cabinet. So yeah, so hopefully it's good. So we'll be back and we'll eat, y'all. Like, let's eat Sunday dinner. All right, so we're just gonna come outside for a little bit until the food is ready, because we still waiting on our Brussels sprouts to get ready. So it's such a nice day outside today. It's gonna sit on the front of the porch.
Oh.
Yeah, it's such a nice day out today. I would like to go walking in the neighborhood, but it's nice, but it's hot. So we just gonna chill in the house today. I had to work the last 2 days, so I am exhausted. Like, I am so tired. I just want to lay in my bed and just rest because I have to go to work tomorrow, which will be Labor Day. So by the time you guys see this, Labor Day will be gone. But hope that you guys had a wonderful holiday, wonderful Labor Day, and that you were safe and all that good stuff. So I still hear that's such, oh, that dog. So earlier, me and my daughter were out here taking pictures, and we heard like this dog, and it sounded like he was choking across the street from our house. And so now we see the dog. He's in the car. I don't know, that dog sounds like he's sick or something. But
they're probably taking him to the vet.
He sounds like he's choking. Yeah, we were like, I was like, should we go across the street and make sure that dog is okay, make sure he ain't choking? Like, you know, it's the nurse in me. I'm not even like, I don't even take care of animals, but I'm still like, oh, we need to go check on them and check on that dog, make sure he okay. Like, I don't even know how to do CPR on a dog.
Okay, well, a good trick is to pump to the tune of Staying Alive by the Bee Gees. Do you know that song?
Yes, I do. I love that song. First I was afraid, I was petrified. Staying alive, staying alive. Staying alive.
I guess you can do CPR on an animal, huh?
Or you can just like take the dog and just go.
Do the Heimlich on the dog?
Yeah, the Heimlich.
Oh, you're silly.
Yeah, they probably taken him to the vet or something.
That's true. They're over there screaming or something. That's such a weird cough or bark for a dog.
Yeah.
Anyway. Alright. As you can tell, we're just kind of bored.
Well, I can show you how to do a cartwheel, but I have a dress on, so.
Why would you do a cartwheel in a dress?
I mean,
that's not appropriate.
I said I would, but I have a dress on.
I'm shocked you didn't put on some shorts. Alright, guys. I'm gonna go check on my Brussels sprouts because I'm starving. Alright guys, while I'm waiting on my food to get ready, I thought I would just show you guys real quick what I just got in from Zara and Express. I just got these things actually today and yesterday, so let me put you guys here on my little tripod. Alright, I have my little mini-me here. She's my assistant, I guess, evidently. So yeah, so actually let me get the scissors real quick.
take the pictures, so.
Yes, you're my photographer.
Yeah.
So, yeah, so I just have a small box from Zara that I'm going to share with you guys. So I'm going to open this up. So here's the Zara box. I'm not going to show the front of it because I have my address on it. And then I also got some things from Express. So here is the box for that. So, yeah, so I'm going to open these boxes and then share with you guys what I got. Alright, so this is the first thing that I got from Zara. And it's just like a little cropped, little, what do you call it? Cropped,
2,000 years later.
Trench coat that I got in a size large. I don't think they had anything bigger than a large. So I think I mentioned in one of my previous vlogs that I wanted like a cropped trench coat. So I saw this on the site, and actually after I said that in my previous, I think it was my previous vlog, I ended up going and hunting for one. So I found one on Zara, and it's just cropped, and it has like some distressing at the bottom. I don't know if you can see that, but I wanted it to be kind of big because I had inspiration from one of my Pinterest outfits videos, and one of the inspo pics the lady had on like a cropped trench coat, and it was kind of big and oversized. So I don't know how this is gonna go, but we'll see. So that's the first thing that I got. And then I'm in love with pinstripes, and I saw these pants on the site and just thought I would get these. So they're just some black pinstriped trousers, and I got them in an extra large because I wanted to make sure they fit. And so yeah, so the fabric kind of feels like some polyester. I don't know, like a thick polyester or something. I don't know, but it's definitely like don't know if y'all hear that. It's just a weird fabric, so it doesn't tell me the fabric detail or the fabric content on this piece. But anyway, I got it in extra large, and like I said, it's just some pinstriped trousers. You probably won't be able to see it. I'm not gonna try these on because, as y'all know, I do styling videos, or if you don't know, I do styling videos on here. So sometimes the pieces, the outfits end up being a little bit redundant. So I think what I'm gonna do is just show you guys how to style these pieces up in like one of my upcoming like outfits videos. So just stay tuned for that. So if you want to see how I style up some of these pieces, just be sure to stay tuned. So all right, so now we're gonna get into the Express items. And then from Express here, I just got two pieces. And again, this was the item. Oh, actually one of my pieces didn't come yet. So actually it's just one piece then. So I've been wanting a denim blazer, and so I saw this on Express. And Express, by the way, I think they were having a sale because it is, you know, Labor Day weekend, so they were having a Labor Day sale. So this blazer would have been more expensive, but I got it on sale. So this is what it looks like. Again, I don't think it'll do it justice like this, but I loved it because it has like some gold button details. Like, it's double breasted, so it has like some gold button details, and it also has the gold buttons here on the cuff here. And I had a blazer like this before years ago, and I got rid of it. And I just, you know how you just, stuff just comes back around. So I'm just a strong proponent of just keeping your stuff unless you just absolutely don't want it, because things just come back around. I think I got rid of it because I was like, I don't know what I was thinking. I should have kept it. But so I got this one, and it's big and oversized. I got it in a size extra large. So it's big and oversized, so I can fit like sweater dresses and things like that underneath it. So that's why I kind of went kind of big, because it does look huge. So but I am missing a blazer. I got like a floral blazer with like some black. It has like some black in it, and it was really pretty. I love the coloring of it. So I'm assuming it's coming in another delivery, because I think there were 2 different deliveries. So I knew that box was too small to have 2 blazers in it. So, but anyway, so when that piece comes, then I'll share that piece with you guys too. So actually, let me see. Give me my phone real quick. Let me see if like it's coming in like a different order. Yeah, so the blazer I ordered is coming in a separate package. It won't be here till Thursday, so I'm sure I'll show it in another vlog this week sometime. So but yeah, so those are all the pieces that I just got in. Just 3 pieces, so just a mini haul. But I just thought, you know, whenever I get pieces in, even if it's just like small pieces, then I just thought I would share with you guys what I got. So but yeah, so that's it. Those are all the things I just got new in.
Like, did you show them the necklace?
Did
you show them the necklace yet?
What necklace?
The Ursula, you know. Necklace.
Yeah, I've been showing that, girl. Where you been? That just proves you don't watch my YouTube channel.
What?
That just proves that. Oh. Alright guys, so we are going to, for real this time, go check on the food again. I'm just trying to move all this stuff and get all this stuff up. I don't know if I like these pants because they feel, I don't know, they just like the pinstripe trousers. I don't know if I like the fabric of that. It's just kind of stiff or something.
Give them to me.
Yeah, you would never wear them. That's not even like you. It makes you look too grown.
No.
But yeah, let's go check on these Brussels sprouts because I don't want to burn them up, but I want them to be crispy though. You ever had Brussels sprouts?
Nope, never had them.
So I want them to be crispy. So we'll see. You checked on the Brussels sprouts? Are they done? How can you tell? You can't tell. Okay, well.
Oh my gosh, I've never done that. Alright.
Oh, I thought you were being my.
Oh, yes.
eternity later.
No.
Hey guys, so I just realized I haven't closed the vlog yet, so I just want to come on here and thank you guys for coming along with me on this day. And yeah, hope you enjoyed the vlog. And yeah, let me know what other kind of videos you guys want to see from me. We know we do the fashion and also the vlogs, but if you guys want to see like some other videos from me, just like any suggestions that you guys have as far as content, let me know down in the description box, and I'll be sure to try to do it and add, add it to my list. So but yeah, thank you guys for coming along with me on this day, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. All right, bye guys.